How to sign up Comerica Bank Online Banking. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to sign up Comerica Bank Online Banking. So watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser on your device. That might be Chrome, Safari, Firefox or any of those. For now, let's open Google Chrome. Click the search bar at top of the screen and type in www.comerica.com. Once you type in the URL, press enter on your keyboard. Wait patiently and then you have to land on the official interface of Comerica, where you will see the login button at top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Now here you will see the login or enroll option. Simply to create account or to register on Comerica Web Banking, click Enroll button. Then you will get access to the other section where you have to follow 4 steps in order to create account on web banking on Comerica. So first is you have to enter your account information including your date of birth, primary account number, account type and customer type. Second is you have to verify your information and do the authentication process. The third is you have to follow all the terms and conditions, and once you agree to the terms and conditions, you can easily create the web banking profile. After following all these 4 steps, you can easily sign up into Comerica Bank Online Banking. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.